Hello everyone, this is Cozy. Today I'm gonna make Salmon Lox, plus I'm gonna use two kinds of preparations for Coho Salmon, what I called the other day. Alright, let's start. This time I caught a female Coho Salmon, so start with low. They are smaller than chum salmon, but I think they are good enough in size. Salting with mixed salt, sugar, black pepper and raw salmon all over. Ready to smoke salmon finally! This time I'm using two different kinds of wood chips. This is a homemade smoker using a cardboard box with holes. This one I'm making holes in a styrofoam and placing metal skewers to place salmon. In order to lower the temperature in the smoker, I'm placing an ice pack on the bottom to make salmon logs. Wrap salmon logs with plastic wrap and leave it in the fridge overnight in order to have the smoky flavor. Finally, we can eat these salmon logs. I'm so excited! Now we're gonna slice salmon with skin on. It's more convenient to use parchment paper to wrap sliced salmon and bleeds. Another half salmon is salted and dried like a jerky. In Japan, salmon jerky is called saketoba, a well-known way of a preserved food. Boil both sides makes it softer. This time I prepared salmon in three different ways. Salmon Roe in a soy sauce, saketoba, which is a salmon jerky, and smoked salmon logs. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe. See you soon.